Welcome back to MC Academy. Today we are diving into the basics of commodities and their trading. Ready to explore? In this video, we will cover what commodities are, their characteristics, classifications, trading methods, and their significance in investment. Commodities are raw materials mined, farmed, or extracted from the earth. Unlike intangible shares and indices, commodities are physical assets that can be traded, like gold, oil, wheat, and cattle. The most significant character of commodities is their fungibility. Whether is gold mined from Australia or the USA, its value remains consistent due to its interchangeable nature. Commodities come in two types. Soft commodities are usually farmed or livestock, like crops, sugar, and meat, often affected by weather and seasons. Hard commodities are mined or extracted, like metals or oil. Trading happens in two main markets, the spot market and the futures market. The spot market is for physical trade of goods. If you need immediate delivery of a commodity, you would head to the spot market. Most traders, however, are not in it for the physical goods. They are speculating on price movements. In the futures market, you will be dealing with contracts that promise the delivery of a specific quantity of a commodity at a predetermined price on a set future date. For example, imagine you are a trader eyeing the cocoa market. Predicting a surge in demand, you buy a futures contract at today's price, expecting it to rise. If right, you sell the contract later at a profit, never once handling actual cocoa. Why trade commodities? They diversify portfolios and act as a safety net during economic downturns. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, while most assets plummeted, gold prices soared, acting as a cushion for many investors. Visit the Magic Compass website for a quiz based on today's video and explore more tutorials to sharpen your trading skills. If you're prepared to start trading, open your MC account today and embark on your journey into the exciting world of CFD. We'll see you there.